This is what I do.
Yeah. I'm gonna do this for you.
This is
Really what I do. You know, I'm really good. See? I do it for you. You see? Yeah. Okay, I'm forced to do this again. I've got to do it over.
You must think I'm some kind of freak. Well, I don't know what you're doing. Time to turn it down.
What do you say now? What do you say? You gotta keep it down? You gotta keep it down to a whisper? 1, 2. I'm counting the time. If only a whisper. Whoa, hey, what you doing? You getting dizzy? You getting dizzy? Okay.
Okay. Now are you getting dizzy?
What did you say?
Keep it down to a whisper. You gotta keep it down to a whisper. You've got to keep it down to a whisper. Keep it down to a whisper. You've got to keep it down to a whisper. Just keep it down to a whisper. I think that's right. Okay. You know, I think that's very funny, don't you? That's very, very funny. Don't you think that's very funny?
I do. Now, this we know.
Are you thinking this is some kind of playground? Romper room? Nursery school? Playground? Jungle gym? Very funny. Hello, my friend. You have got too much dirt. Just too much dirt.
Wait a second.
Okay, you got a little bit of dirt.
You got a little bit of dirt. Why don't you take a bath? Forget about your problems. And tomorrow will come. And you think you're all clean, start another day. Time to pray.
Let's try that again. You've got too much dirt.
Too much dirt.
Why don't you go and take a bath?
Take a bath.
I've got it.
The broken radio. I think it is. Good night.
I hate to put the bite on you. This is broken radio.
Hello.
Can I have your number, please? I'm in a phone booth. Of course I'm in a phone booth. I've been trying to call you for hours.
Please. Hello. Number, please. Take it to heaven. Jesus is Lord.